Social media influencer Martins Vincent Attire, known as VeryDarkman (VDM), today was present at the Lagos High Court sitting in Ikeja around 9:30 a.m. for a hearing about a defamation case against him by Femi Falana, a well-known lawyer, and his son, Folarin, popularly known as Faz. VDM arrived in court dressed in a red native attire, surrounded by fans cheering him on. But the Falana's absenteeism caused the court not to proceed, and the court adjourned the hearing to January 23, 2025, because most of the applications filed by the parties are not yet in the court file. Recall that on October 14, 2024, Justice Matthias Dawodu, while ruling on an ex parte application for an order of interim and preemptive remedy brought by the Falanas, held that they have legal rights to be protected from being slandered. The court also ordered VDM to bring down the alleged defamatory video he made on September 24th against the son and his son, Faz. Justice Dawodu also restrained the self-acclaimed social media police from further releasing, publishing, or circulating any defamatory videos and comments against the senior lawyer and his son on all his social media handles and pages, pending the hearing of a suit filed by the duo. The judge further ordered that all the processes in the matter be served on VeryDarkman through his lawyer, Deji Adeyanju. It is worth to know that the Falanas had dragged the defendants before the court in a separate suit, claiming 500 million naira each as damages over a video he posted on his social media platforms, alleging that they collected 10 million naira from Idris Okoye, popularly known as Bobrisky, to pervert the course of justice. In their suit, the father and son stated that the alleged defamatory publication is still trending on the defendants' online handles and pages, and as such, the injury to their reputation continues as long as the publication remains online. In response, VDM has applied to the court for leave to appeal the ruling. He also submitted that a refusal by the court would amount to a miscarriage of justice, as the case involves significant legal questions that merit further review. We will continue to monitor the story for fresh updates. Keep watching NaijaNews TV.